Another of the features that we bring with this new version of components is the fact that we can swap components itself. So here we have a copy of that element, the bookmark, and let's say I want to change it for a different component. It's also an icon. So I go to the icon and I can swap with whatever I want. I have a ton of icons here from my components. So I'm going to search for star and I'm going to pick that one. Voila, both the main component and the copy were changed. Let's see a more interesting example. Here I have a description for the detailed view of a trip. So I want to click here. By the way, I have here my other components that are compatible with that section. So I click on the description. That's my content category here, and I decide to go for favorite trips. So that component from favorite trips actually self-adjusted to that portion of the screen.